In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a door type in Revit and adjust its parameters. We'll walk through selecting an existing door, swapping it for a different size or style using the type selector, bringing in a new door family if the option you want isn't listed, and then fine-tuning key parameters like width, height, fire rating, and materials. By the end, you'll be able to update doors confidently without breaking your model. Begin by selecting the door you want to modify. It's easiest to do this in a plan or elevation view where the door is clearly visible. Click directly on the door element so the properties palette shows door as the category. If you're working in a crowded view, zoom in a little to avoid grabbing the wall instead. Once the door is selected, you're ready to change its type. Look to the top of the properties palette for the type selector drop-down. This menu displays the current door type and when opened, lists all available types already loaded in your project. Think of it as the quick switch for swapping sizes or styles within the same door family. Choose a different type from the list to change the door. For example, you might replace a single flush 900mm door with a single flush 1000mm version. As soon as you pick it, Revit updates the door in the model and across all views. If you see any temporary warnings, they usually relate to constraints or clearances. Confirm the new size fits the opening and the swing direction still works for your layout. If the type you want isn't available, load the family that contains it. Go to Insert, choose Load Family, then browse to your Revit library and select the door family you need. After loading, return to the type selector and open the list again. The new family and its types will now appear ready to use. Pick the type that best matches your project standards and door schedule. With the correct type in place, adjust parameters if needed. In the Properties palette, review values like width, height, fire rating, and materials. Some parameters are instance-based and affect only the selected door, while type-based parameters update all doors of that type. Make adjustments carefully, confirm the preview and dimensions look right, and apply material assignments that match your documentation and rendering needs. That's it. Select, switch via the type selector, load a new family when necessary, and refine the parameters to finish.